iPhone 11 Pro Max LCD screen replacement repair. To start with, we will unscrew the bottom two screws. Then we will gently pull the screen. Once that is up, you can unscrew any screws from the motherboard flexes, basically first of all the battery and then the LCD flexes. Now take the metal plates, protective plates. First of all, disconnect the battery, and then you can take out the LCD screens flexes. Be really careful for the Face ID. Now we will take out this Face ID and the earpiece module. Once it's unscrewed, just lift it really carefully. Try to not puncture or damage the Face ID module, otherwise it will not work. So this is the brand new screen. We will now install to it the Face ID and the earpiece module. Once it's installed, we will go ahead and install the LCD screen to the motherboard, to the phone itself. So first of all, we will connect the LCD screen and the Face ID. Then at the last, we will connect the battery connectors. Before installation of the screen fully, I will test it and then I will install it completely. So the phone is on. I will check if it is working fine, everything with the screen. Then I will go ahead with the installation. Yeah, as we can find, so now we will go ahead and install the remaining metal plates and the all screw. At the last, we will now install the bottom screws.